Good morning. Today we are going to discuss the JavaScript dialog boxes of subject internet programming. Here we can see three types of dialog boxes: alert dialog box, confirm dialog box, and prompt dialog box. What happen in alert dialog box? An alert dialog box is mostly used to give the warning message to the users. What is the use of alert dialog box? Alert dialog box is used to give the warning message to the users. That means what happened? That example, if one input is field required to enter some text but user doesn't enter any types of valid input, so at that times it is a types of validations. So user get alert, you have not entered the proper value. So that's why here we need to use the alert dialog box. It has only one button, that is called as OK button. Here we can see the output: HTML, where we have write the script containing script type indicate the attributes, and it has a two value, text and JavaScript. Again it has one function that is called as a function var. In function one, here we have display, or we have include one alert message that is called as, this is a warning message, and again we print that message, that is called as a document with the help of document.write. Document.write is used to print the message, and alert is used to give the alert to the users, which included in the script. Here we close the head sections and body head section. Now here again we need to create one buttons in the body sections with one message which included in paragraph tag P. Click the following button to see the result, where we have the form, input type button, and value is click me. What value here we have? Click me. On click warn, what functions here we have? On click warn. How it is executed now? Warn is called from script, where we have one message that is called as a alert. This is a warning message, so it shows the executions of alert dialog box. Now the second types here we have, that is called as a confirmation dialog box. A confirmation dialog box is mostly used to take the user's consent on any options. What is a confirmation box? Confirmation dialog box is mostly used to take the user's consent on any options. It has the two buttons. One button is called as a OK buttons, and the second button is called as a cancel buttons. Now the user click on the cancel button, then the confirm return the false. If you confirm boxes follow confirm message and cancel message. Now here we can observe the output of confirm message, where we have the script type equals to text oblique JavaScript functions get confirmation value. Here we have again here we have array value, which has the confirm dialog box. Do you want to continue? If the user want to continue, it has rate values stored in the rate val, and it which shows the user want to continue. If the value is true, then user want to continue. That means if user click on OK, then user want to continue. If do cancel, then it means false. So it shows the confirm message. Third dialog box, here we have the prompt. Prompt dialog box is useful when you want to pop up the text to get the user input. When user want to some value in text box, then user need to fill the field in that box, where again we have the OK and cancel. Dialog box is displayed using the method is called as a prompt. What are the dialog box here we have? It can be displayed using the prompt. Dialog box has two buttons. One is called as a OK and second is called as a cancel buttons. If user click on OK button, the Windows method prompt will be returned enter value from the text box. If the user click on the cancel button, the Windows method prompt return the null value. Now here we can observe the output. Script type text oblique JavaScript. Here we have the functions get value, variable read val, prompt enter your name. You can enter your name and your message will be displayed. If you enter the TGP-city, what is your output? You have entered TGP-city. And it can be called from the buttons created in the body sections. How it is executed? On click get value is called. and it is pointed to the get value, and here prompt functions will get called, and it has to be display one statement that is called as a you have entered. What statement you have entered here, that value has to be displayed. So here we have discussed the three important dialog boxes: prompt, alert, and confirm. Thank you.